February 3, 7:30. So the machine is on spin cycle, it's making a lot of noise. So I took the back to see what is going on with it. So this is what's happening. Yep, a lot of noise. Because the belt is cutting apart. So what is happening? I'll tell you why. Two belt for the Maytag arrived today. This is the old one, and comparing the thickness, the original is thinner and the new one is thicker. So I don't know, over time this might stretch so it becomes thinner. So if it's new, then it's thicker. So we'll see how this will perform over time. Will it become thinner? Probably, because it will be it will be stretched over time, so it will become thinner. So we'll see. So as soon as the machine is available, I'll install the new belt. So I replaced the three belts. Two lasted about 6 months, and this one hasn't started to be damaged, but it's stretched. So Maytag belt made in Mexico, lasted 6 to 6 months. So that's how it works. I thought it would last about a year. Oh well, that's life. Thanks for watching.